This is our wall-mounted key box with button. Here are our password key box series. This is our new model. Here are also colors for key boxes. This is our smart key box. This is with shackle and this is cable type. With shackle, this is our range of packaging. Blister packing and color box packing. Here is our climbing hook models. There are also regular password padlocks. Blister packs. This is the color box packing key box. This is a blister package. The password key box. All these are our regular products. The combination key box is our hot sales product. This is our combination latch lock. This password lock is suitable for office glass door, this is our smart door lock for the interior door. This is also a smart door lock series. This is American type lock. This is also glass door lock. And latch locks. Combination latch lock. Here are also some padlock series. This is tubular handle lock for American market. This is door handle lock we export to Europe. Regularly European use Mortise lock with handle. This is our product line of combination key boxes. Can be hinged on knob lock. These are the lock cylinder of our European standard. This is our beach key box. These on the desk. It's our all line of combination key boxes. The whole series. It includes different size. And the beach type and smart type. This is one of those American key boxes. And key box package, blister packing series. Color box series.